a great idea to falling the borders and finish with the taxes between the countries. It was a really great idea. But now we have, like we say, a dictatorship of Brussels. In Brussels, a lot of things are decided what the nations have to do. Not the national parliament decides, Brussels decide. And they try to make all Europe equal. But it's not possible. Sweden is different to Netherlands, is different to Germany, is different to Italy. It's not possible to make all countries equal. It's a difference between the countries, and therefore we need it. And of course, we need a deregulation. We have, it's from one side from the European Union, from Brussels, but also from the national, especially in Germany. It's regulated, everything. We need a deregulation for businessmen to prepare their business, to build their business, and to do their business. And that is the most problems for the people and also for the business. And both is getting together because the business is important to create jobs for the people.
It votes it. Yes.